our coat department. We are so excited about an event that is going to start today and will end on Friday, and it is a outerwear promotion for BRAX. And BRAX are one of the leaders in outerwear in that they do not have any down. It's 0 down in all the coats. So they're first class, number one, state of the art, like everything. And they're extremely warm and they're beautifully made. So if you purchase any BRAX item, it can be a coat, it can be anything in our BRAX department, your name goes into a draw for a free outerwear coat of your choice. How great is that? Wow. And there are 4 other beautiful prizes that will also be drawn for. There is a nice cotton cable, it's pale gray blanket, and there is a package here with a snack to go lunch box and a beautiful stainless steel water bottle, a gorgeous herringbone weekender. So this is a beautiful, beautiful bag, all leather trim and the herringbone fabric on the outside. And the last one is a beautiful men's watch. Okay, so if you want to win, if you win this, you can give this to your special guy. Beautiful leather strap, navy face, all stainless steel. Great prizes. So cross your fingers and you might win one. BRAX was very kind to send us a great selection of outerwear coats just for this event. So after this week is over, they will be not available in the store. So we are going to start with this one. It's in this beautiful silver color. I must say that puffers are extremely popular because they're light, warm. These ones are a little bit heavier, but they're very, very warm. And of course, this is a great color, it goes with everything. And there is no hood on this one. Next to that is another gray, a little bit longer, mid-length, very light puffer, great jacket. And then even longer still, a beautiful camel color, lined in black, and on me it's almost full length, but it is mid-calf length. So I just want to mention that we have had in the past, it's called a dog walker coat from Michael Kors. However, this season we do not have any of that length from Michael Kors, but this one is available in the BRAX line, and it is definitely a dog walker length. I have one of these, and honestly, it is just like wearing a great big duvet around you when you are outside. It's nice and light, and yet it's nice and warm. Very cozy. It also is available in the black. So for those of you that just like always black, here it is for you. Oh, and oh yes, it has a side zip, which makes it getting in and out of the vehicles really easy, and it's quite a high one, so it allows lots of movement when you're wearing this jacket. So next to that is the puffer vest. Also has a hood, available in navy just for this week. These, I just must say that these these pieces that are vests are extremely popular. You can, this one's a wee bit lighter, so definitely outerwear, but oh my goodness, if you just pop it on over your sweater, it is very cozy and warm, and it could be an item that you can wear all winter. This week only, we have the navy, but in our store we also have the green, khaki green color, and a nice dark gray color. I also have to mention that we have the best selection of scarves, accessories, hats, mitts, Mitchie's, which is from Montreal with fur. Some come with fur, some not. But we have the best selection anywhere. So if you need some nice accessories for your outerwear, we've got a lot that we can show you, and lots of beautiful colors that can match anything. The last vest that we're going to talk about in the store is this beautiful caramel color. It's also from Brax, and it has got really beautiful quilting on it, so it is a very special vest, and it has a nice side zip and nice deep pockets. So we're going to talk about the shorter body coats that are available here in the store in this beautiful, beautiful, my favorite color, pink. And again, it has the hood with the triple snap up at the collar, keep the wind out, and it's all technical. Storm cuffs, nice and light, beautiful. This coat also is a vest because the sleeves are all zipped in, so we took the sleeves out of this body just so we can show you that it does turn into a vest. And it has the hood that you can take off, and then it is a true vest. Okay, so here is another short body coat in a beautiful navy. It has a attached hood and elastic on the cuff, nice deep pockets, beautiful navy color. And then these are lighter weight puffers. So they're also, I keep thinking that to tell you that all of these coats are like, they refer to it as zero down. So there's absolutely no down used in any of the production of these coats because Brax is very conscious of the environment, sustainability, etc. It is in this beautiful sage color, and it's in the beautiful navy color, not the blue. Okay, so this is this is another little lightweight puffer jacket. It just is slightly different quilting than the other one that I spoke about. There's a really pretty blue and a pretty purple and caramel. This is really pretty. I mean, all these colors are, you just don't see colors like this. There's another lighter weight, just slightly longer, very similar to the previous style, only in a longer version. And it is only available in navy. Okay, this is a really interesting piece. It is has a wool body and has this removable nylon quilted hood. So quite a cool piece. And it is got a nice curved bottom, nice big pockets, and it is in the nice gray, and this is a darker gray in the hood, which again is removable. And the last of the last, look at this. Now where do you see a coat like this? This is gorgeous. It's actually navy with black and is long, mid-calf with nice side zips and a nice hood. Has grosgrain ribbon down the back, beautiful detail, just an exquisite cozy coat. I am wearing a reversible little short bomber jacket that is you can wear it outside for sure, but I wear it all day inside. It has the Sherpa lining, and it does reverse to this, so you've got two coats in one, and it's kind of cool. There's no hood, no collar, so it's nice and clean around the neck. It has nice big pockets. It's great, and it's short, so that's what I like. So if you see any coat that you would like, the ones that were brought in just for the event are not online, but if you see one that you're interested in, just give us a call. We can do measurements for you, and of course we can ship it out to you. So it's going to be an exciting week. We're so excited because we've got all this new product in, and anyway, it just makes it fun. So tigsstore.com is our online store. and you can see all of the product, again, not except for what's being brought in for the week. But everything else that I spoke about will be online, and Instagram, Facebook, telephone 519-599-3547, 10 till 4, Tuesday to Saturday, and Sunday noon to 4. What else? What else do I need to tell you? I think you know everything else about us in the store. We're always here to help you, so, you know, never fear. Anyway, we are going to end this video now, and we are very excited to see all your happy faces this week. Cheerio. So while we're talking about Brax, we just wanted to make another wee note that Brax Men's pants are here. So they're right here in our little menswear department, which also entails Tommy Bahama and St. James. But the pants that we have are from Brax. There are two styles: Chuck, which is a modern fit, and the Silvio, which is a slightly slimmer fit with a techno fabric. So we're just experimenting with these pants right now. So it would be great for us if you just came in, all the husbands, all the men in your life, and just let us know what you think. And they're also available online, and the waist sizes go from 32 to 40. The leg lengths are all 34. Please check them out online, in the store. Thank you. Has a hood. No, it doesn't have a hood. No, there's no hood. No, there's no hood. Sorry. Okay, so this is it.